Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, just watch, take what you can, join the channel if you're not subscribed, and check this video out. I am showing you guys how to increase the density, bleach the lace, dye, color the wig, and silk press it all in one. So I hope you guys enjoy. Leave any questions you have for me in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do here is anything that has to do with hair, beauty, unboxings, reviews. If you're willing to learn something, you're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button and join the squad, and I will love on you over here. Now, these are I have 3 of these bundles, but I feel like I will only be using 2. It is 24-inch. I believe the wig is also 24-inch. And if you want to know where the wig is from, just ask me in the comment section, and I'll be glad to let you know. Now we're almost there, guys, at 10,000 subscribers, so keep sharing the channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure to like this video so you guys can get me out there in the algorithm. So as you know, if you're not new to my channel, I also make these units from scratch. So if you would like one, if you want to know how to make one, leave a comment in the comment section. As I always say, you can email me at aliciahandlesit@gmail.com. We can set up a class, you can have a one-on-one. I also have membership. You can learn how to make these wigs from scratch. I also do finger waves and other things too. Shortcuts, pixies, mushrooms, anything you guys want to learn or anything you guys would want to wear, Alicia will handle it for you. Ask me in the comments, why do I bleach the lace first and the hair, color the hair jet black. So thanks for watching, guys. I did say on my last post that this month will be bob season. So guys, stick around. I will be doing bobs all month. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.